Today I'm taking a trip down memory lane with a classic Australian dish, curried sausages. This simple and economical recipe has been enjoyed for generations, and I'll show you how I've been making it over the decades. To start, take 600 grams of good quality sausages, whether pork or beef. In a pot of boiling water, gently boil the sausages for about 5 minutes. This helps remove any excess fat, and once boiled, let them cool slightly before slicing them on the diagonal. Now, if your sausages have casings, remove them after cooking and before slicing. Finally, dice 1 small onion, 1 stick of celery, 1 small carrot, and mince 3 cloves of garlic. Heat a heavy base pan on the stove, adding enough olive oil to cover the base with a thin film. Add the vegetables and saute them over a moderate heat until the onions have softened. Then it's time to add that wonderful curry flavour. Stir in 1 tablespoon of curry powder and let it bloom for about 1 minute. If you prefer a spicier dish, feel free to add more curry powder according to your taste. For thickening, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or flour to the mixture and stir it around for a couple of minutes on low heat. This helps remove the floury taste. Next, pour in 2 cups of chicken stock. You can use any chicken stock you prefer. Today I used 2 cups of water with 2 teaspoons of chicken stock powder. Stir constantly to avoid lumps and bring the mixture back to a boil. The sauce will thicken nicely, and then add the sliced sausages to the pot. A little trick, you can add a peeled and grated apple to the pot along with the sausages. The apple adds a touch of natural sweetness, and today I was out of apples. Let the curried sausages simmer uncovered on a low heat for between 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flavours to meld and ensures that the carrots are cooked. Finally, add 1 cup of frozen peas and 2 big tablespoons of cream, stirring everything together. Taste the dish and season with salt and cracked black pepper. To serve, ladle the curried sausages into bowls and pair with some fluffy white rice. For an extra boost of flavour and presentation, sprinkle a dash of curry powder on top. And there you have it, a heartwarming and deliciously nostalgic dish of curried sausages that will surely become a family favourite. Enjoy your trip back in time with this classic Aussie recipe. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.